Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting essentials ready. Charge the Series 7 and keep your iPhone nearby. Once done, make sure location services are enabled on the iPhone and the watch app has motion and fitness permission. You do this because the watch relies on the iPhone for initial settings and GPS accuracy calibration. Next, put the watch on snugly. A proper fit improves sensor contact. Make sure airplane mode is off and Bluetooth is active so the devices can communicate clearly. You tap the workout app and pick an outdoor activity that uses GPS, like outdoor walk or run. Then set your goal using the three-dot menu, because specifying distance or time stabilizes tracking and saves battery. Once you select Start, pause briefly and watch for the green GPS indicator or a connected status. This confirms satellite lock and accurate route recording. If the indicator is slow, step into an open area. Buildings and dense trees block signals. Only then press Go to begin tracking. When you finish, press End on the watch and review summary immediately. Your watch uploads route and pace to the iPhone Fitness app for deeper analysis. You should inspect the map and split data to confirm GPS accuracy. If things go wrong, try a quick restart of the watch, toggle location services on the iPhone, and ensure Watch OS is up to date. If errors persist, recalibrate by doing a 20-minute outdoor walk in an open area to improve future GPS precision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.